Today I'm going to tell you 5 amazing beauty secrets of petroleum jelly. I'm going to show you some. This is petroleum jelly. You can see it comes in various sizes. This, I think, there's the biggest size. This is the biggest size, and this is the medium size. This one here is the medium size, and this one is the smaller size. So apart from the sizes, okay, yeah, you should also notice a difference in this petroleum jelly. If you read this one's inscription, it is written original healing jelly. Hi guys, so welcome back to today's video. We want to appreciate you guys for joining this channel. I'm Victoria Vic. This channel is all about effective product recommendations, so that when you go to cosmetic shops, you wouldn't just bother yourself asking so much questions of what to use and what not to use. Okay, so it's general product recommendations. Yeah, you're welcome back to today's video. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please tap the red button below to join this wonderful platform. You are super welcome. So today's video, I'm going to be showing and I'm going to be telling you 5 amazing and 5 wonderful things you can do with Blue Seal Vaseline. So I'm going to show you different types of Blue Seal Vaseline. Okay, so this is Blue Seal Vaseline. Now you see that? Now this Blue Seal Vaseline. Then watch this one. So this Blue Seal Vaseline. Yeah. So I want to show you the difference. Just keep watching. Keep watching. A lot of persons say Blue Seal Vaseline makes them dark. Yeah, quite alright, because it's natural, doesn't contain any bleaching product. But let me tell you the difference so that you will know the best Vaseline to buy when you need a specific result. This one is Blue Seal Vaseline, but when you check what is written under it, you're gonna see rich conditioned jelly cocoa butter. This is for those of us who are dark in complexion and want to make their black to be shining. It's for dark people. So if you're a fair person or someone that want to retain your complexion and you buy this one and it start making you dark, don't say Blue Seal Vaseline make you dark. You bought the cocoa butter. So let's watch what is written on it before you buy any Vaseline. And this one here is called Original Healing Jelly. You can see that Original Healing Jelly. So this one here is just for conditioning, moisturizing, renewing, healing, rejuvenating of the skin. So if you're looking for Vaseline to buy to give you a very effective result, I would ask you to try this one out, this healing jelly. This healing jelly, because it does a lot of things for the skin, which I'm going to be highlighting right away. If you have a crack skin, a crack feet, like if your feet is dry, it happens mostly for those of us in the rural areas. You see that because of too much going to farm, going to different places, your feet will be dry. So buying that person, maybe your sister, your brother, Vaseline, this type of Vaseline would be a very nice thing to do for that person. So how to use it is that when you're going to bed in the night, apply this Vaseline on that feet that is dry, on that area that is dry and cracking, and trust me, you're going to see that leg will be so soft and look beautiful. Do you get what I mean? All you have to do is apply it at night before going to bed, then wear your socks. In the morning, you're going to love your feet. 2, if you have dry hands, like your hand, maybe you're not so proud to show off your hand, the back of your hand here is squeezed and dry, okay, using Vaseline to nourish it, like you just use small quantity like this, because this one I've been using for some time, it's almost finished. So before I go to bed, what I just do is after rubbing my cream that I use, I just use this Vaseline to moisturize my hand. And because I told you before, guys, when I was starting this channel that I have a dry hand and feet. So using this does not have helped my hand a lot. It has really helped to nourish it. It has really helped my hand a lot because yeah, the hand now start getting a bit nourished. It has really helped my hand. Trust me, you're going to begin to love the tone, the complexion, and the overall results. Okay, that's the second thing you can do with Vaseline: healing of dry hand, healing of dry feet. Alright, healing of dry feet and healing of dry hand. The third thing you can do with Blue Using Vaseline is face cream. Yeah, using Blue Using Vaseline in the night before going to bed will cheese. Like if you use it at night before going to bed, when you wake up and let me not tell you what you will notice. First of all, you see that your face will look a bit younger. Yeah, your face will look soft and a bit younger, like it lifts your face kind of a thing. So using Blue Using Vaseline as your night cream will renew and act as age renewal for you. Okay, I know some person are going to say because of the greasy nature of Blue Using Vaseline it's not going to give me pimples. No, it won't give you pimples. So just use it as your night facial cream, but please don't use it in the daytime for face when you're going out, because it's not really recommendable to use it as your facial cream in the daytime. So it's not really recommendable to use it as your facial cream in the daytime. So just apply it at night before going to bed as your night cream, and you'll love your face. Your face will look yeah, beautiful. Your face will look so sweet. Trust me, just trust me, you will love your face. Yeah. The fourth thing you can do with Blue Using Vaseline is using it to glow your skin, especially your face. Like when you apply makeup, you can use it to highlight your cheekbones. When you use it to highlight your cheekbones, your cheek hair will be so shiny. Like when you smile, when you smile, your face here, like here, just highlight here with your Vaseline, and you'll be glowing. And you tell people, oh, which cream are you using? I'm just using it. So, something like that. Blue Using Vaseline does all that work. And then there are other benefits of Blue Using Vaseline too. You can use it to moisturize your skin. You can use it to moisturize your skin. You can also use it to apply on old stretch marks or new stretch marks. It helps to, you know, stretch mark most times is caused, of course we all got stretch mark most times, especially if you're on the chubby side. Stretch mark is something like a natural thing, but how you can minimize the appearance and make it look presentable is one of the things you will love with Blue Using Vaseline. So using Blue Using Vaseline to apply on old or new stretch mark will help to fade the appearance and make it look presentable, not big. It's going to reduce the hugeness or wideness and more nourish it. So it makes it look nice. Some stretch mark fades with time. Remember that. So don't kill yourself if you got stretch mark, but make sure you use Blue Using Vaseline to keep nourishing those areas. So because this is original healing jelly, it will heal it based on, like, it's gonna treat it like a scalp. So it helps you to renew and nourish that stretch mark and make it look presentable, make it look nice. Yeah, it makes it look a little bit nice. So just use it to apply. And then that stretch mark, yeah, apply it on those side, your thigh stretch mark, your waist stretch mark, your arm stretch mark. It's gonna help to renew it. And then the other benefits of Blue Using Vaseline, I've talked about dryness, I've talked about stretch mark, I've talked about glowing. You can also use Blue Using Vaseline in the night as your night cream. Okay, you can use it at night or something like that. You can use it at night when you're going to bed. Mix it with the Johnson baby lotion, or rub your Johnson baby lotion first at night. Yeah, I did a video of Johnson baby lotion. You can click the link above to watch the video. It can be used for adults. So when you use it in the night, you use Blue Using Vaseline and apply on your feet. Do you get what I mean? Don't miss both of them. Apply your Johnson baby lotion first. When you apply Johnson baby lotion, after applying your Johnson baby lotion from head yeah, from your head down. Then you use your Blue Using Vaseline to nourish your feet, and use it as well to nourish your hand. Then also apply it on your face. Do you get what I mean? Johnson baby lotion for your body, Blue Using Vaseline for your hand and your feet, and then use it to apply on your face. You will love your complexion. In the morning when you wake up, you look young, you will look hot, you look sweet, you will look very, very beautiful. Yeah. Again, then you can use your cream in the daytime or the next night, so that you won't, you know, change your complexion. The next thing you can use Blue Using Vaseline to do is to use it to remove your lashes. Let me show you. Instead of pulling your lashes off, you can use Blue Using Vaseline to apply on the glue before taking it off. It's going to soften it. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. It's going to make the glue to be soft and won't pull your natural lashes away. Unlike when you just pull and pull and pull. So I'm gonna move the next one. Did you see that? That's all. Is there any other thing, guys? Please drop your comments. Let me know how, if this video helps you. Tell me what you expect from my channel. Tell me the kind of videos you want me to be doing, or you want me to show, so that I can know what else to tell. Okay. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Drop your comments. Let me know if this video helps. Love you.